All right, as you guys saw yesterday, the bike was all back together, and now it's taken back apart again.
Does your... That's a good way to get a brake.
So we have 12 volts running through the brake line and through the frame. Check that out. Not there. Yep, so we have 12 volts.
Hey.
I don't care how late I have to stay here. It will be done today.
Oh, you're gonna stay late?
I don't care how long I stay here. I will be done today.
Anyways?
What I'm saying is, I don't care how long I stay here. It will be done today.
Okay, how late? Like I'm just completely defeated.
He's alive.
Violent! We have been fighting an issue with this bike. It's really bizarre. I'll show you guys that it sparks. Now watch. Put it in here. No spark. Oh, there it is. What is that? Ooh, that's warm too. I've tried a different ECU, different coil. I've unplugged everything.
Brandon's been like stressing about it.
How long has it been down for? It's been like 9 months or something.
This scooter could have had a baby.
That's true.
That's true.
I'm trying to think of where it would come out. You know how it works? Yeah. Just some kissing. That's how you get pregnant. You know that, right?
You gotta hold hands.
Yeah, if you guys want to buy Scooterswapshop, you can buy it.
I'll be the majority owner. Paul, cover the .2. Here's the one.
Okay.
I'll give you my ID.
Use that $1 to buy a belt, bro.
Oh, geez, you getting this?
Did you get the finger in there? You got to get the finger in there.
How do you feel about SR50's? You don't like them?
No. What if I accidentally do this? No.
No, shut the camera off.
Shut the cameras off. Oh, not quite enough juice. Ooh,
oh.
There.
First of all, you shouldn't be putting your fingerprints on the glass. Ruins it.
I shouldn't put fingerprints on this glass?
On the glass, yeah.
Oh, this glass?
Yeah.
This
yeah.
one.
Yeah.
This piece. Okay.
Yeah. Does your... That's a good way to get a brake. We had power coming through the brake line. The brake line was hot. We looked at everything. Everything we could up here. Makes no sense. It could be the switch for the actual brake light, but we don't know. Dustin, this would be a Dustin.
No, it wouldn't.
Right?
No, it would have been a Brandon and Paul. Wait,
Paul, pull that apart.
It's the best way to run power is through a brake line.
yeah, brake light.
All right, as you guys saw yesterday, the bike was all back together, and now it's taken back apart again. Put the bike together, blinkers worked, started to run it, blinker stopped working, so the relay failed. Now, we have a new problem. The high beam light, the high beam indicator light was staying on, and noticed some other kind of funky things, and then found out that, for some reason, okay, check this out, guys. Hooked to the ground here, we have 12 volts running through the brake line on this bike. So this is all rubber coated, right? So it can't be here. So we have 12 volts running through the brake line and through the frame. Check that out. Not there. Yep. So we have 12 volts running through the frame somewhere at some point. We have to find out where that is. That being said, that we did not do anything to this harness. Nothing. The only thing we did to this harness was this taillight back here. That's it. Nothing else. So we disconnect the taillight. The voltage is still there. This is literally what we're running into with this bike. There's something funky going on with this harness somewhere. Everything is factory up here. Everything is factory here. Literally the only thing different is we've added blinkers and we've done the LED resistors back here, which we've disconnected it. Everything else is 100% stock. Nothing is messed with on this bike as far as the wiring goes, but bike is back apart again. And now we're starting over with this bike again. I can't even count how many days it's been. But yeah, like I said, we have not cut, spliced anything on this entire bike at all. Minus right here, and this is not causing the problem because we've taken it apart and there's still voltage on the brake line and the whole frame.
So we don't have an energized brake anymore.
No.
We don't have an energized frame.
No.
Do you want to talk about how or why?
Okay, so what's happening, we found out after two unrelated issues, because the bike runs, it starts, it runs good, but we noticed the blinkers weren't working, and it was just a couple weird things were going on. Took it apart to check the relay, which was bad also, and the brake line was 95 degrees. So on the back of this cluster, there's little tiny screws that stick out on the back. I'm blowing up. On the back. Dang.
Good
Are
lord.
they nudes? Dang, bummer. No, they're pictures of scooters.
Oh.
Is it Skylar?
No, there's pictures of scooters, see? People send me pictures of scooters.
Oh.
Julio Sanchez, he's a gangster. So what was happening is the brake lines, we got new stainless lines on here, and it's already such a tight clearance from the factory that the fitting for the brake line has a bigger nut on it where it tightens down. And it was, I could stand here and the test light was not on, and I could push on this cluster and it would come on and off, on and off, on and off, because it was just flexing this cluster just enough to contact the 90 on the brake line on the back side of the cluster. So it is fixed. I'm putting coolant in it, I'm putting it together, and this bike will be done today.
You think?
I don't care how late I have to stay here, it will be done today.
Oh, you're gonna stay late?
I don't care how long I stay here, I will be done today.
Anyways.
What I'm saying is, I don't care how long I stay here, it will be done today.
Okay, how late?
It doesn't make any sense, Paul. I'm hoping I can get this thing done like.
I think from
Couple
here
hours.
you're probably kind of mostly wrapped up in an hour if you're able to just stick on it for an hour. It's just panels.
There's
go back
nothing on this bike that takes less than an hour. Nothing. There's nothing on this bike. This has to go back together. The rotor has to go back on. That has to go back together. Well, the caliper has to go back on. The whole front section got to fill it with coolant, burp the system and stuff. So, yeah, that's the plan.
On. All right.
You know your camera's like crooked, right?
Nope. Nope.
Sit like this.
It's literally lined
no,
up
it
with
was
you.
100% crooked.
Oh, it's so crooked
Go
right
back.
now?
If you go back, it's crooked. I needed to talk like this.
Look, there's lines.
Does it look like I'm crooked now?
And I can fix that in post if
Oh.
it needed to be. If
Okay.
I was just slightly different.
Okay. Well, yeah, I'm gonna put coolant in it, and then this thing's gonna be done. I know.
This thing's gonna be done too.
Yeah. Hey,
Dang.
Hey, you should record this. Hey, Paul. What did Brandon say was wrong with the bike?
The reeds.
What was broken?
A reed,
A
not
reed.
the reeds.
Yeah, it wouldn't rev and it wouldn't run.
Brandon did say it's probably got a broken reed.
This is exactly
Yeah,
what I said.
that's it. Like
Yeah.
exactly.
Well, the thing
without,
is, like,
without the S
think
at the
about
end.
how many things we've run across, and so it's pretty easy to diagnose a two-stroke now.
Hey,
'cause we've done
can you
so
do me a
much.
favor? Can you give me like a pose like you're boxing somebody for the
How about just
thumbnail?
on the ground, like this, like I'm just completely defeated.
Excuse me.
That works
You're right
too.
in my way.
Go.
That work?
Yeah, that works. Well, you wanted to be boxing the Aprilia, so
Well, it looks like I'm defeated though.
yeah.
it looks like I've been defeated.
Oh, I know. Give me one with your arms up, like yeah, I
But
won.
I haven't won.
I know, but I can use it for when you do win.
You
Eventually,
No,
one
I
day.
will still never win. I will always lose in this battle. There's no winning in this. Like, I've lost. There's no way for me to win. I'm just trying to make it out alive, pretty much at this point.
Sweet.
Oh, who's calling
Ooh, ooh, scammer?
No,
Oh.
it's Seth. You can't pick that up.
That would be inappropriate.
I love the guy, but I can't pick it up.
He's alive. So, Mr. Paul, how do you feel about this bike?
Just Brandon that question.
I would, but he's not here. What are you thinking? No more Ditex, right?
Probably not.
And then we got the RC1. This one's been done for quite some time. You want to give her one last start for me? She runs. Do you have any final words on these long bikes? Not really. much to say. End of an era, I guess, almost.
Almost. It's almost been 2 years.
No, it's been like a year and 2 months.
No, it's been more than that.
3 months.
When
It
they
started in December, so 3 months.
No, when they actually got dropped off, though. They
They
got
started
dropped off in July.
Really?
July.
I thought it was
2020.
October.
Yeah, something like that. Late June, early July. Like before you even got here.
No, I was here when they got dropped off. 100%. Because 100% I was here. 100%. There was no SR50's at all here. And then one by one we got each one.
Well, these two came in at once.
Yeah, I know.
It's not one by one.
But I'm saying like delivery by delivery. We had a whole bunch of them sitting over here. But yeah, no, I don't know the exact date on when it came in, but
it was
they've
like
been
mid
here.
2020. We'll
they've
say
been
July
here.
31st.
But yeah, think he's gonna be stoked on them.
Hope so.
Yeah. One for his wife and one for him,
He
right?
seems excited.
What do you think?
This thing's a weapon!
Did you give it a little juice?
Dude, this is violent! In a good way! Oh, I love it.
That's good.
Good work, guys.
Yeah.